Well, we're back, and we got hit again with record-breaking snowfall. This is the video, the behind the scenes, the B-roll, the raw, authentic behind the scenes, everything to do with residential snowblowing operations in New Brunswick, Canada during 2026's, well, largest snowfall of the year. La, la, la,
Episode 17, Against the Odds.
Alright guys, unfortunately the storm seems to have just missed us. I don't think we quite broke our 5-centimeter trigger. I don't think there's much of a point in us being out here, so I don't know. I think the customers are going to have to be on their own with this one. I mean, it's clearly, it doesn't even pass my fingertips. There's not even really a point. This should probably just melt by morning, I think we just hang out, relax. Every hour, I was sitting in the tractor and I kept refreshing it. I was like, what the f***? Where did that thing come from? The radar just kept ballooning. I don't know. We got to get a first pass done at least. I know the driveways are going to fill back up, but we're getting to a point where the L60s are going to fall off and even being useful. Oh, this is crazy. Man, we're going to be working till we're dead.
Oh, we got out.
This is crazy.
Merry Christmas.
Hello.
Hi.
Is Matt here?
Yeah.
It is 10:39 at night, and the boys are pulling out. Look at the snow, man. Everyone's going to start their routes. It's going to be a long night. It's going to be a long few days here. It's a lot of snow. Let's see. We're probably going to be snow blowing in low range. But the snow's slowed down enough, it's really fine. So you guys can tell it's very granular now. It's not big f***ing chunks. So I think we're safe to get after it. I'm the last tractor here, and I love you guys to death on YouTube, but I can't be the last guy here for content. I gotta get to work.
Damn, Sam. You made this up?
This old country boy, man. Yeah, 501 beach. Arkansas shit, baby. Come on, what they know about it? What they know about it, man? Come on, man. Man, yeah. Hey, yeah. Boy, I got it up out of the dirt. scars all over my heart, I was hurt. Stabbed in the back, as a matter of fact, I was down on my ass, boy, couldn't get worse. This is how it is, I'm not who I was. They changing for shit, no, they wishing I would. I'm doing the shit that they wishing they could. Hey, I'm a square toe stepper, big chain flexer, body and beats, boy, I swear that I'm better. I've been on the move with my crew and my ninjas like Shredder. We all been told never met us. All of my dogs trying to stay out the kennel, so we move in silence and silence of presence. I promise we moving too clever. Finna take it to a whole nother level. Man, I put my state up on my back. Boy, I'm reppin' Arkansas till I'm dead. 501, bitch, that's a fact. Cause I come from the rock where them shells get shed.
Oh, I didn't see you there.
Alright, there we go.
That's all she wrote. Right now, it is 7:24 a.m. We finished all of our routes around 6 a.m. So that's actually amazing, guys. So we got through, I think, possibly the largest storm of my career in 7 hours. Everything's been shoveled, every driveway's been done. Obviously, there's gonna be a lot of plow ends to clean up. There's gonna be a lot of just touch-ups. We didn't get to service, yeah, the plow truck just went by. We didn't get to send out our alerts, so people's cars didn't get a chance to move. And there's a lot of snow down, so we're gonna go back out today at noon. So that gives us a good 4 hours to get some shut-eye, hit the road again at noon and have alerts active. Stress is off. People can get in and out and just kind of go through our routes, putt along and finish this out with a bang. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. It's the only way to do it, man. It's the only way to do it. I'm not tired. You are.
Work how I work,
What was it?
Work how I work.
Work how I work. Poor guy's so beat. I'm froze like Rick Ross.
2 hours later.
It's been a groundbreaking 2.5 hours since we last were here. We sent the boys home to get a little bit of sleep. Not a lot, just a little bit, just enough to motivate you. And obviously I kind of expected it's gonna be hard to wake people back up. So we're gonna see who actually shows up, who doesn't. Either way, we don't have much to do. It's just cleaning up. It would be nice though if everyone could come in and we could just get her done in like 4 or 5 hours, call it a day, go home, let Mitch edit, and then provide the content to you fine people. We had a little bit of an incident. We had one operator, he's new. He busted out a window in a church. Isn't that big of a deal. Obviously it's something that we're gonna rectify and get it fixed ASAP. And just a little bit of minor complaints from that one route. Other than that though, most of us, our customers, are relatively happy. The problem is with a business is, you know, when you're doing as many driveways as we are doing every time it snows, you could be 95% successful, but the 5% is still pretty loud because even 5% of our customer base is still, you know, a decent chunk of people that are calling and have something to say. And I mean, when you're dealing with a snowstorm that was calling for 5 to 10 centimeters of snow, some apps were saying 1 to 3 centimeters of snow, and we ended up with multiple feet of snow, then I mean, I think we made out more than okay. I'm very pleased with how we handled this. I'm very pleased with everyone, really. Like, this was an awesome snowstorm. It was a lot of fun, super satisfying stuff. And yeah, there's a couple people that are gonna be negative Nellies. It's just the world that we live in. They're gonna get on Facebook, they're gonna go ham, they're gonna do their thing. You know, they're gonna do their little Facebook dance. And that's fine. They're gonna stay on Facebook, we're gonna stay out here, and I would rather be out here than on Facebook in my bedroom. So it's beautiful, there's a lot of snow on the ground, and anyway, we should just probably get going. Don't make fun of me, I have a lot of issues, and that's just how I move. My legs and my hips are sore.
Oh, I think you got a call over there.
That's just how I walk. Let's say hi to Aiden.
The suspense.
Excuse me, sir. I'm here to contact you about your car's extended warranty. Damn, I almost got excited. I almost thought that was someone else showing up to go to work. Nope, it's just the three of us. So, I mean, if you guys can't tell, me and Aiden took a lot of time. We detailed this truck the other day.
Yeah, spotless.
Yeah, it's
Spotless.
I take a lot of pride.
There definitely isn't a big scratch on the other side.
Aiden definitely didn't hit my truck on anything.
No, come on, man.
There's never been a mailbox hit by Aiden or my truck.
I think we should leave it at that.
Square box shape. These are 33s. 6-inch lift with the console seats. Big mud ties, need my ball joints greased. I'm feeling every bump, every stump in the street.